Mixing the various parts of the drum kit in the T8 is a fundamental skill. So I'm going to show how I can do that. And I'm going to do that by turning down all of the levels for each part of the drum kit. I'm going to turn that to the left. I don't have any bass at the moment, but I'll just turn that down anyway. And so when I press play, we won't hear anything. And then I can slowly mix in each channel of the drum kit, which is denoted by those lines that are going down the instrument. So if I start turning up the bass drum, we should hear that come in. There we go. I've got that on about 1/3 of its level. Let's go to snare and I'll mix that in. Get that to a point where I'm happy. Then let's try tom. I don't have any toms in this one, so I'll go to hand clap where I know I've got some triggers activated, and you can see the tom and the hand clap sit on the same channel, so they'll be allocated the same volume as I turn it up. I like a bit of clap, so I'm going to bring in a bit more clap. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm at about 2/3 for the clap, and I was at just under 1/3 for the snare. Now I've got the open hi-hat. I've got no triggers activated, but closed hi-hat I definitely do. So let's bring that in. That sounds pretty cool. And there we have a little mix of the drum kit, and it sounds quite nice, but that's completely up to you what you would like. Maybe you want more bass drum. You can really bring that in. Or maybe I want a lot more snare. Or maybe during a performance, I want to bring in the snare. You know, to build and drop again. Or maybe I want to do that with the hi-hat. Really bring that in to get that sense of the hi-hat rhythm. Really accentuate it. So I can use the mixing to set up the overall sound of the drum machine or to build and drop. Try it out.